Hey, what's up guys, this is Maths Mafia here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do stem and leaf diagrams, and make sure to stay till the end to clear your doubts. So let's dive right in. So over here we have a sequence of numbers which we will have to find the stem and leaf. So it's basically breaking it down to stem and leaf. So stem is the one that will be displayed on the left hand side. So over here we have 19, the first number is 1, and 20, the first number is 2, 37, the first number is 3, and 42, the first number is 4. Okay, so now we have to get these numbers and write it down over here on the stem. This is our stem over here. Now we just have to write down the leaf from this sequence. So I'll teach you guys how to do that. So we have 1 over here and 1 over here, but we still have the 9 remaining to make 19. So let's write down here. So this right here is 19. We just separated the stem from the leaf. We keep on doing that until we finish all the numbers. So 19. Okay, so you guys can see that I've written it down over here, and we still have this key remaining. So key is just a reference of what the work is, how many digits are in the stem and how many digits are in the leaf. So let's write it down. So first what you guys want to do is you guys want to create a box from the key, so like you guys can see. So let's write down 1 over here and 9 over here. This means 19. Okay. So next, what you guys want to do, if you guys need to find out the range, mode and median and mean, you guys want to order it out. You guys want to order it from lowest to highest. So I'm going to do that. So guys, we have ordered it out. So now we can find the mean, median, range, mode. So let's find it out. First we'll start off by finding the range. To find out the range, we have to minus the highest, which is 42, by the lowest, which is 17. So 42 minus 17 gives us 25. So let's write it down over here. We have 25. To find the mode is the most occurring number. So you have to find out in which stem has the most occurring number. Just write down what are our options. So we have 37 because there are two 37s, 20, 18. So you guys can see that there are two numbers really decide our mode. So let's just skip on that. But if you guys have it, if you guys have a mode, you guys can just get it and write it down. So for median, all we have to do is we have to minus out from bottom to top, and we have to keep crossing out the numbers until we get our middle number. So let's start. So to find the middle point, which is the median, you guys want to find the number of data points in the sequence and divide it by 2, and that will be a middle point. So in my point diagram, I have 15. But 15 is an odd number, so you guys want to add 1 and then divide it by 2. So that is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So you guys want to find the 8th number of the sequence. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this over here is our 8th number, which is 22. So 2 is our median. There is no mode, as I said. So for mean, we have our numbers. We just have to add it up and divide it by the amount of values. So let's do that. We got 381, and the amount of numbers we have is 15. So you guys want to divide it. So let's find out. This gives us a mean of 25.4. So our mean is 25.4. Let's just write it down over here. We found our answer. We found mean, median, mode, range. What do you guys So that's it for today's videos. Make sure to like and subscribe and share. Write down. So I really appreciate the comments that you guys have written down. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the comments. And see you guys next week. Bye.